What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Choo Choo Charles. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left. Starting from the top, we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of our circle and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top of that circle, bring that down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's add a fold across the top of the eye. Starting on the outside, curve this around and bend that in. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start over on the left, start with a curve, coming down and then up. And then from the sides, we're going to curve this out, up, and in. Now I'm going to work our way across the top of the lip. Starting from this point, curve this out, down, and then up underneath the eye. Let's move out to the side. Just going to curve the corners of the mouth, going around and then in. Now I'm going to bend the mouth coming down towards the bottom. So let's start on the left, come in, and bend that down. Now I'm going to round up the bottom of the mouth, going down, and then bending that up. Now I'm going to draw the inside edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, I'm just going to follow that curve, coming down, up in the middle, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. And then from the side, I'm just going to follow that curve, coming down and in towards the bottom of the lip, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's add some teeth along the top row. Starting right in the center, bend this out and down toward the left, and then taper that back up. Now I'm going to work our way across towards the left. Just going to vary the size of these fangs, going a little bit longer and then shorter. Let's move back to the center and curve this out towards the right. Now let's add some teeth along the bottom. Starting right in the center, bend this out and up, and then back down, and then work our way over towards the left, and then the right. Now I'm going to go in and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now let's move up to the side and draw in the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side of the eye, step out, we curve it around the corner of the mouth, and then bend that in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's draw the bottom of the head. We're going to step out, curve this down, and then in towards the bottom of the lip, continue out and up towards the right. Now I'm going to add a thick fold across the top of the brow. Let's start on top of the left cheek. We're going to go up, go around the eye, and then bend that down. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up towards the top, come around, and then down. Now I want to close off the top of the head, starting on the left, going up, and then bend that down on top of the right brow. Let's add in some eyebrows. Starting at the very top, we're going to start with a point in the middle, bend this down and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's do the same thing on the right side, starting with that point. Now from the outside, we're just going to pull that in, just going to trace this out along the bottom. Now I'm going to go back and add some blood across the top of the eyes. Let's start from the outside, bend this down and up. And I just want to draw a wave going across the top of the eye and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around toward the top back down along the side. We're also going to add some blood across the bottom of the nose. Starting from this point, come down and up, down in the middle, and up towards the right. Now from here, we're going to draw a large circle around the head. We'll start on the outside of the left cheek. Just going to trace that circle, going around the head, up towards the middle, working our way around towards the right, and then down the side of the cheek. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the bottom of the circle. Come down and in, just underneath the lip, going across, and then up towards the right. Let's draw on the base of the platform. Starting right in the middle, draw a straight line, going all the way out towards the left, go back to the center, and go out towards the right. Now from the ends, we're just going to angle this up and in underneath the head. Let's go back to the outside corners, draw 2 straight lines coming down, and close off the bottom with a straight line. Now place the tires in underneath. On the corners, we'll step in, draw 2 short lines coming down, flatten off the bottom, and go straight up. Let's add a circle in the center for the light, going all the way around, and then back up. Add 2 smaller circles on the bottom corners. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw that center smokestack. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left, draw a straight line going up towards the top, go over towards the right, go up towards the same height. Now from here, it's going to bend this out and up towards the side. Let's close off the top with a curve. Now I want to draw a straight line going in behind. Let's start on the left, going straight out towards the side. Let's line this up over on the right and draw the same length line. Let's connect the ends with a curve going up in the middle, around that smokestack, and then back down. From the outside corners, let's step in, draw 2 straight lines coming down on top of the head. Now we want to place the window along the inside. From the left, draw a straight line going out. Just line that up on the right. Come down the sides. And we'll pull that straight in. Let's separate the windows with 2 lines on either side. So start right in the middle, 1 line, step in, draw that again. Same thing on the right. Now let's add those pipes along the side. From this point, we're going to step out, draw an angled line coming down and in. Along the top, draw a short line going out. And we'll follow that same angled line coming back in towards the side of the body. Now from the top corners, draw 2 straight lines going up. And then round up the top. And then we're going to draw an oval in behind the top. So starting on the left, we're going to go all the way around and then back in. And then from the side of the oval, we're going to draw 2 straight lines going up and in towards the center point. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the first set of legs. Let's start from the side of the head, start with a curve going out and then up, and then we'll line that up on the right side. From the top, curve is down and then out. Now from here, it's going to bend this back down and then in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, just going to round this out and then pull that down. Now I'm going to create an overlap, stepping up, then it's down and out. And I'll pull that in and then down. And round out the bottom, going in towards that bottom point. Now from this outside point, I'm just going to round out the joint, pulling that in, almost like drawing a half circle. You step out, curve down, and then in towards the tip of the claw. Now I connect this point to the tip of the claw with a curve. Now I'm going to draw the same thing across the back. Let's start from this point, then this out, and then up. Come in, and then down. Let's round up the bottom with that same curve going in towards the side of the head. Now I want to round at the top, going up and then down. Let's step up. We're going to go in behind with a curve and then going out. Let's round this out, going in and then down. And I just want to pull that up and in behind the claw, continue along the inside. Now I want to extend this last claw going out. Starting from the top, curve around, in, step back, then it's out, and then down towards the bottom. And I want to pull that back up towards that bottom point. Let's layer a smaller claw underneath. We're going to start from the bottom, put it down and out, and curve this out and then up and behind. From the top, we'll round this out and pull that in. Stepping back out and down and in towards the bottom. And now we're just going to bring that back up towards the top with a curve. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Choo Choo Charles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you enjoyed today's lesson, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.